I'm Santina with WTI. If you're looking to replace your laptop charger or your device charger, I want to highly recommend this Anker USB C charger. So this little guy has so many cool features. First of all, just check out how small and compact it is. It's perfect for carrying around with you, easy to travel with, and it can so easily fit into any little space. So you gotta love that. Also, it gives you a lot of options. So you have here 2 USB-C charging ports and a USB-A. So depending on what your device takes, you can charge up to 3 devices at a time with this little charger. Overall, it's been fabulous. It's worked really well for us. It's actually replaced my husband's laptop charger that he was using before. So I highly recommend this. I hope you're gonna like it as well. And that's my point of view.